Hello everyone, welcome to How Logical, where we bring you latest tips and tricks to elevate your digital experience. Today we've got a quick tutorial for you to enable dark mode in Twitter. If you are tired of that blinding white screen, stick around as we show you how to enable dark mode on your favorite Twitter app for a more comfortable visual experience. Let's get started. To do this, first open the Twitter app on your mobile device. Once you're inside the app, you can see the white screen, which is set by default. To change this, navigate towards the top left corner of your screen where you see your accounts. Click on it. Once you click on it, on the bottom corner of the screen, there is a light icon showing. Select it. Now by default, it uses your device settings. To enable dark mode, tap on in dark mode. This will activate the dark mode in your device. Again, there are two themes in the dark mode. You can either choose to dim it or select the lights out for a more darker theme. Now you can go back to your Twitter and then enjoy the dark mode. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, then do share and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell notification to never miss an update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.